and added with humus, once irrigated and added with humus, it gives a high yield. It gives a high yield. What you need to add? You will need to add humus in it. You will have to irrigate it properly. Then you can grow better crops in the red soil also. ठीक है? Written, it gives a high yield. What type of crops you can find in the red soil? Rice. Okay. Millets, pulses, rice. Because of intensive irrigation, you can grow rice also. Okay. You can write rice, millets. ठीक है? Pulses. देखो इस वाले मैप में आपको स्टेट भी दिख जाएगा. ये वाला बेटर है. स्टेट वाइज देखो रेड वाला यहाँ पे दिख जाएगा. this will show you the states also, which state is having which soil. ठीक है? You can write millets, pulses, rice, large regions of Karnataka and Kerala. Large regions of Karnataka and Kerala have developed red soil regions for rubber and coffee plantation. For rubber and coffee plantation. ठीक है? Next, laterite soil. Palm trees, they will come in this coastal. That will come in different soil. Okay? Coastal areas, lateritic or swamp soil. ठीक है? Compost, you write out lateritic soil. ठीक है? Word laterite means क्या होता था? Brick. The word laterite. In general term, it means brick. It is in brown color, सा laterite. कि just general एक बोला. Composed of, you write composed of a mixture of oxides of aluminium and iron. Hydrated oxides of aluminium and iron. It is rich in iron and aluminium. This is obvious. ठीक है? लेटराइजेशन की वजह से बाकी बेसिस सॉल्ट्स क्या है? वाटर में डिसॉल्व होके नीचे सब सॉइल में, सब प्रोफाइल में जा चुके हैं. ठीक है? They have reached to different horizons beneath their top soil. Then it is poor in, write down, it is poor in nitrogen, phosphorus, poor in nitrogen, phosphorus, potash, lime. Lack fertility due to intensive leaching. Lack fertility due to intensive leaching. It is famous for crops like groundnut, cashew nut. It is famous for crops like groundnut, cashew nut, etc. In Karnataka, this region Karnataka, Bengaluru वाला region है यहाँ पे. They grow coffee, rubber and spices. This region of red soil. यहाँ पे famous आपने सुना होगा spices वगैरह मिलते हैं. तो rubber plantation, coffee plantation happens in this region. ठीक है? You can write Karnataka and Karnataka region. Laterite soil of Karnataka. Laterite soil of Karnataka is good for coffee, rubber and spices farming. नेक्स्ट फिफ्थ वन इज फॉरेस्ट और माउंटेन सॉइल. कैश्यू नट. हाँ, we bring from south ना so much cashew. हाँ, I have not seen the fruit of cashew nut, but I see. हाँ, then okay. Okay. So you went to south when? In Meghalaya also you grow? Oh, okay, okay. That fruit is not to eat, है ना? Only that nut that is extracted from that fruit. Okay. Outside. This is a feature of that plant. Okay. Like strawberries also have seed outside, right? Strawberries are also grown there, है ना? हाँ, I will go. I will go to northeast sometime. Okay. Okay, I will not eat. Oh. Okay. Shall we continue? Okay. Forest or mountain soil? Forest or mountain soil. ठीक है? It is a thin layered, and the profiles and horizons are. It is a thin layered, and profiles and horizons are poorly developed. It is rich in organic content. Rich in organic content, but nutrients are deficient. But nutrients are deficient. They are also called heterogeneous soil. ठीक है? Heterogeneous. HETERO. Heterogeneous soil. Next one, you write desert soil. At least let's complete this. ठीक है? Desert soil. This soil is deposited by wind action. This soil is deposited by wind action and mainly found in the arid and semi-arid areas. Found in arid and the semi-arid areas. ठीक है? It lacks in moisture content. It lacks in moisture content and humus is less. Moisture content. It lacks in moisture content and humus is less. They are suitable for less water intensive crops. They are suitable for less water intensive crops like बाजरा, fodder. बाजरा इस साइड में होता है ना, काफी सारे जो खड़े कोर्स ग्रेन्स होते हैं. You write coarse grain. बाजरा. That is a coarse grains you can write. ठीक है? Coarse. ठीक है? Fodder. गायों भैंसों के लिए चारा होता है fodder, that is called fodder. Okay, that doesn't require much irrigation. Then where can you write? अच्छा, one homework will be for you all. You will have to write the state. Which state finds which type of soil? Okay, red soil आपको 2-3 state mention करने होंगे. ठीक है? Alluvial soil you will have to write the red states. You will do it. That will be your homework to write the states for each type of soil. Okay. Now write down. We are writing if irrigated, the soils are, you have written bajra, pulses and fodder, coarse. ठीक है? It is rich in iron content. It is rich in iron content. ठीक है? चलो, reasons you will have to write कि which region they are found, which state of India. Next, saline and alkaline soils. Saline, SALINE. ठीक है, saline and alkaline soils. Alkali soils contain large content of NaCl. They have large content of NaCl, sodium chloride. ठीक है, the soil is infertile. Infertile. Lack of moisture, comma, humus and living microorganisms. ठीक है, lack of moisture, comma, humus and living microorganism. It is formed both naturally and anthropogenically. This alkaline, मैंने बताया ना पंजाब में एक्सेसिव ऑफ इरिगेशन की वजह से है ना, कैल्सिफिकेशन होगा, सेलिनाइज एल्कलाइजेशन हो रहा है. सो इट इज फॉर्म बिकॉज ऑफ बोथ नेचुरल एंड एंथ्रोपोजेनिक एक्टिविटीज. दे आर ऑल्सो कॉल्ड, एक और इनके और नाम है. ठीक है, अगर एग्जाम में आता है क्या नाम से, तो यू विल रिमेंबर रे. ठीक है, रे, उसर, ठीक है, केलार, इन्हीं सॉइल को कहते हैं रे, उसर, USAR, KALL केलर. ठीक है, चौपन, कहीं कहीं चौपन भी कहलाता है, चौपन, CHOPN, chopin. These soils, alkali soils, are called by this name, localized name. These are local names given to these soils. Okay, chopin, CHOPN, chopin. Getting? Now next one you write peaty and marshy soil or a bog soil. This soil originates from the areas where adequate drainage is not possible. Lack of drainage, where there is adequate drainage, is areas where adequate drainage is not possible. ठीक है, it is rich in organic matter, and has high salinity and have high moisture content. High moisture content. Next point, right? It is the characteristic of the delta region of India. डेल्टा रीजन ऑफ इंडिया. ठीक है, डेल्टा कहाँ, बंगाल, जहां जहां पे रिवर्स हमारी क्या है, ओशन से मिल रहे हैं. So near the delta, this will be swampy region. PT है ना, marshy, wherever there is a swampy areas. ठीक है, जहाँ पे गंगा ब्रह्मपुत्र वाला डेल्टा मिल रहा है, जहाँ पे महानदी डेल्टा बन रहा है, जहाँ पे कृष्णा गोदावरी बन रहा है, जहाँ पे डेल्टा रजिस्ट्रीज बन रही है, wherever there is excessive of moisture and organic content, there you will find this PT and marshy or bog soil. ठीक है, getting the difference? It is called Alleppey. This word you remember, ALLPEY, Alleppey in Kerala. ALLEPPEY, Alleppey in Kerala. इसी सॉइल को केरला में बहुत ज्यादा रिवर्स एस्ट्रीज है वहां पे. स्पेसिफिकली यहाँ पे राइस कल्टीवेशन, बिकॉज देयर इज एक्सेस ऑफ मॉइस्चर एंड वाटर, so it is suitable for in the Bengal. This reason you will find there is a cultivation of jute plus rice. ठीक है, we have also observed coastal areas में rice का बहुत ज्यादा cultivation होता है इंडिया में. ठीक है, so it is the region where it is a soil where you can grow jute and rice. ठीक है, and here this Alupu वाला region near Kerala you can grow spices. It is good for spices. विदेशी हमारे यहाँ spices लेने आए थे ना, spices. ठीक है, and rubber, spices and rubber. So we have done this soil वाला complete. छोटा सा पार्ट अभी और बाकी है, that we will do in the next class. Okay? चलो एक बार देख लो कैसे मैं images थोड़े बहुत लाई थी. ठीक है? This is what, which soil? What happened? This is red soil. ठीक है, alluvial तो पता ही होगा, हमने देख रखा है. This is what? ये laterite soil है. ठीक है, excessive of leaching has happened. Iron oxide बहुत ज्यादा, iron and aluminum का composition की वजह से क्या है, laterization है. This is a specific laterite soil. Okay. Then we have this mountain and the sandy soil. Can you differentiate? Mountain soil कैसा दिखेगा? It is a thin layered soil, not properly developed, and this is a desert vegetation. You can say desert soil. And one other one that I have, that is this is what, peat and marshy. ठीक है, bog soil, peat और marshy soil. Now can you differentiate them? ठीक है, one homework for you. You will have to write the states. At least two states for each soil you will have to write. Okay. Map I have shown you where they are located. Okay. चलो, thank you class.